Hello everyone and good morning. I thought maybe today I talk about something new. I thought maybe I talk about it's gonna be for your information. To abbreviate it, it's gonna be FYI. Okay. In this world we live in this earth and which is blue and green, beautiful water, trees, and it has continents and it also has oceans. The continents are 7 and the oceans are 5. Okay, we start by talking about the continents. We name them first. The big one is we go from the biggest to the smallest. The biggest, since there are 7, we say 7 continents. 7 continents. And we have here the oceans, which are 5 oceans. Okay. The continents, the biggest one is in Asia, Asian continent. Asia, 1 Asian continent. That includes the Chinese, the Indian, Indonesia, etc. Japan, that's the Asian. Number 2 will be Africa. Africa, like Algeria, South Africa, and all the countries in Africa. That will include Egypt, etc. 2, 3. We go to North America, which is like Canada, the United States, and Mexico. North America. And then we have South America. South America. In America, North America, they speak English, especially in Canada and the United States. But as far as Mexico speaks Spanish, and then you go down to those countries, they speak, most of them, 20 of them there that speak Spanish. There is Brazil that speaks Portuguese. Okay. Number 5, what would be? South America. Number 5 would be Antarctica. That's cold and ice and nothing else. And number 6, we have Europe. Europe. And number 7, and finally, will be down under, which is Australia. Okay, now let's go to the oceans. The oceans, there are 5. The biggest one of them is the Pacific. That's what that is. Hawaii. Pacific Ocean. Number 2 will be the Atlantic. The Atlantic Ocean. Number 3 will be the Indian Ocean. And number 4 will be what? Number 4 will be the Southern Ocean, and finally the Arctic, also called well, that's what we have on Earth. We have 7 continents and we have 5 oceans. And here they are. Well, today we learned something good. Maybe you already know it, but just to remind you certain things about our beautiful planet, Earth. We have the continents, we have Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. And the oceans, the 5 oceans, we have the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and finally the Arctic Ocean. Well, thank you for joining me, and Jazakumullahu khair. Wassalamu alaikum.